Hey Topvico, I was checking out your product listing here on Amazon, and I just wanted to say congratulations for having an Amazon's Choice badge and over 664 ratings in such a competitive category. Now, what I was actually able to do was research and identify so many advanced strategies and opportunities for you to increase your sales, skyrocket your revenue, and of course, your overall brand awareness. With that said, my name is Noel Banuelos, and I'm an account executive here at my Amazon guy. And I'm reaching out to you because I see your brand prioritizing on Amazon with a huge window of opportunity for growth. So I wish to highlight these potential enhancements right away if you don't mind. So I have this tab open here that's taking a closer look at your product listing. And I was able to check out your keyword distribution. You have about 30 sponsored keywords and 680 organic keywords. Now, this is about a 1 to 20-ish ratio that you're currently at. What we recommend, though, is a 1 to 2 ratio. So we should have about 340 sponsored keywords to meet this. However, another big improvement is to improve these up into the higher thousands. You would see a noticeable difference and you'd be extremely happy in terms of how much your sales would be able to increase with this strategy. But scrolling down, let's just check out keywords related to your product. So we got the keywords here, the search volume here, your organic and your sponsored ranks here, right? So first one I see is water leak detector at 6,800. I don't see you running PPC, but you are organically ranked at position 9, which is great. You should still add PPC though, because we have found that brands that don't use PPC can lose their organic rank if they're not pairing the two together. Water sensor alarm at 4,440 searches. Sponsored rank is missing, but your organic ranks in position 8, which is great. Leak detector. This is a great keyword, close to 4,400 searches. We're not using PPC, but this time your organic ranks at position 47. That puts 46 competitors ahead of yours, excluding the ones that are using PPC. So I'd make sure to just get this one in the bag. Water sensor at 3,195 searches. Again, you're not using PPC. Your organic ranks at 25. Water alarm, you're organically ranked at 6. But as we scroll down, I mean, there's water level sensor, your organic ranks at 67. Let's just keep scrolling down. Water alarm leak detector, this one your organic ranks at 5, so this is awesome. Water leak sensor, your organic ranks at 11. So just keep scrolling down, and we'll just continue finding different ones like battery operated water pump, water alarms for basement. Your product right here, organically ranked at position 11. So you do have some great rankings. All I'm seeing though is that you should be using more PPC, of course. Just pulling up water sensor, we can see that there's a huge market share of about $1,799,000. Now this is per month, and as you can imagine, it's only from the top 50 competitor listings. But just imagine if your product were to show up for thousands of keywords on page one, and you're getting as much sales as possible because you're showing up for both PPC and organic. But as you can see, all these competitors are using PPC like Smart Water and Govee and Yolink and Flume. And then we got Mindful Design here at the top and all these organic competitors here. So that's why it's extremely important to use PPC with your product. But what I do want to show you is I have a competitor here, not comparing by any means, but they have about 1,330 organic keywords. Now, shockingly enough, they're not using PPC, but majority of their keywords are organic, so they're getting a lot of volume. They're doing about 1,936 sales per month with their product. But I do want to offer you some more value, which is by booking a call down below. I'll just go ahead and throw in a keyword gap analysis, which is priceless, completely free, of course, to you. I'll be able to scrape thousands of keywords from either this competitor or a competitor of your choice so that you could use it for your own strategy. But I do want to just go back to this software just to highlight another thing, which is known as your strike zone keywords. Now, these are your organic ranks from 20 to 50, and we can help you get these to page one. As a matter of fact, you have about 134 of them sitting on the side. As you could just see, we got leak detector, water sensor, moisture detector, Wi-Fi water sensor, underground water, leak detector, and all this search volume. If you just add up each and individual keyword on top of each other, we're literally piling over 10,000 plus customers that it just turns into a big snowball of revenue for you just by us getting your product to page one very quickly. So quick tips is to make sure your title has 150 to 200 characters. You want to make sure that you have keywords in these sections as well as in your bullets and including 250 characters per bullet. Now, of course, checking out your images. The product itself is great, but of course I would show it in a more marketable fashion, maybe having the alarm signal or some type of design just to showcase it. So I did see that you're missing out on A+ content. So I recommend that you get this right away. The reason being is that all these images increase your conversion. And this is what I meant, kind of like the alarm coming off. So you could do something like that. But this increases your conversion as well as all this text I'm highlighting. You have up to 150 characters that you could add, which is indexable. Now, one more thing I do want to show you is a brand store module that you could add, which is completely free. It indexes as well, and you get to showcase more of your products to increase your average order value. So, with all that said, here at my Amazon guy, we do full service management. We have over 300 employees, and what we do is we do SEO and PPC to drive traffic to your listings, as well as platform management and brand content optimization to grow your sales. So, our goal is to grow your sales and do all the heavy lifting to provide you Amazon peace of mind so that you have the time to focus more on your business and grow it. Now, of course, by clicking the link down below, you can book a call with me, and I'll even throw in an exclusive competitor audit, as well as so much strategies and insight that we've used by partnering with over 250 brands and managing over $350 million in annual revenue. So there's so much cool that I've got to show you. Thank you for watching and listening. Take care.